let's see how to record a palette in Daylight. So we have listed our device in our show. We can record palette thanks to the device command. Um, so I select my devices, 1 Shift 5. I can also create palette from the dynamic bottom thanks to the R palette, means record palette, or U palette, update palette. But for now, let's see from the how to record palette from the device command. So as my devices are selected in the main window, here when I open the device command, they are listed in the right part of the window. I will create, let's say, Lee 101 palette. So I select the Lee 101, and Daylight is dividing is um, is putting the level of each parameter in order to retrieve some yellow. Okay. So now I just have to click the record button here. I give a name to the palette. Let's say L101 yellow. Don't put a too long word because they will appear here and here. And so if the name of the palette is very long, the colon will be very long and it won't be easy to scroll in level. So I can choose to record the palette only for listed listed devices here, or I can choose to record palette for same personality devices. Generally, this is what you want in order to be able to use the palette for other devices than the one that are selected. This is the main thing of palette recording, the filter. But by default, it is set to all attributes. It means that when you will click OK here, the palette will be recorded for all attributes for the device. So colors, but also focus, beam, effect. So let's see. For example, I let all attribute and click on OK. Palette 1 is recorded. Okay, they are in palette 1. Thanks to the device palette listing menu, I can see that my palette 1 is a global palette. It means that if I select it and I can edit it, the palette, it means that the palette have been recorded with color levels, but also with focus level, with the beam for the channel 1, with effect for all devices, etc. This is generally not what you want, because if you apply this palette as it is recorded with focus level, each time you will apply this palette, the device will go back to this position. And what you want, in fact, is to be able to apply a palette wherever is the device. You don't want it to move. You just want it to change a color, for example. So, this is because when you have recorded the palette, you have used the all attribute filter. Now, if I let me put let's choose another one, for example 105. I click record. This is 105. Let's call it orange. Okay. Oops, sorry. And here I will select the color filter in order to only record color information. I click OK. And now in the device listing, you see that this palette is only a color palette. It means that if I let me show you that this palette has no focus level, so you can apply this palette wherever the device is. If you want to work on a palette, let's say the previous one, the one, you can move between palette here, so here, and you can use this function in order to purge everything. So if I purge the focus, idem for the beam, idem for the blade, idem for effects, same for control, and same for extra. Now my palette is a pure color palette. If I click here in order to display only a color palette, you see now that the 101 palette is now a pure color palette. I can display them all. And previously palette 1 was a global palette because it contains focus, beam, and like, other levels. Now it's only a color palette. Okay. Another interesting thing of the filter is, for example, let's say I move them here, okay, and this is a scenographic position. I mean, you can light, I don't know, a table or whatever. You can record. You can record a palette. Let's say let's call it table, for example. You can use, of course, focus filter in order to record only the focus, but you can also choose theater filter, and this filter will record focus, okay, but also the beam parameter, and if there were any blade parameter. Focus, beam, blade are member of the theater filter, and it's very convenient for theater because you move the device, you adjust the frost and blade if there are any, and you record a palette like that. This is the theater filter is very convenient for theater purpose. Okay, so this is what you can say about palette recording. See you.